They're killing him. Let me get in on this bee. Whoever's killing him has got absolutely the biggest D I've ever seen, bro. He's got hella loot, hella gear. Boom. Danger. Life throne. Not your traditional rare spawn, I don't think, because I don't see him on here. He's dead. He is not your traditional rare spawn, so he's required from the world quests.